So today I am going to share about the innovation project tools, which was to measure the urban deprivation index in Nepal. So based on the literature review, we find out that there was various indicator to measure the poor. For example, urban poor, multiple indicator, multi-dimension poverty index. However, this index was based on the income and food consumption and do not reveal the true picture of urbanization, as the urbanization is affected by various factors, for example, environment, infrastructure, governance, and hazard. So to address this gap, a domain of deprivation index was introduced. The domain of deprivation index was household socioeconomic status, housing, unplanned urbanization, social hazard, physical hazard, contamination, and governance. Using these domains of deprivation index to measure the urban deprivation index Nepal for urban municipality of Nepal. So regarding the methodology, we compiled the data based on the domain of deprivation index for 293 urban municipality of Nepal. Data were obtained from the national survey, for example, housing and population census, demography and health survey, multiple indicator cluster survey, health information management system, and the survey of Nepali people. Around 309 variables were obtained, and these variables were compiled into a single data set. So the single data set were further normalized, and we use principal component analysis to measure the urban deprivation index of Nepal. And the urban deprivation index were further classified into 5 categories: very high deprivation index, high deprivation index, moderate deprivation index, low deprivation index, and very low deprivation index. Now I am going to share you the key finding of the study. So regarding the further analysis of domain of deprivation index, we found out that governance was most significant domain of deprivation index, followed by social hazard and unplanned urbanization. Regarding the further analysis of urban municipality by deprivation index, we found that the Kathmandu, Lalitpur, and Bhaktapur and other high metropolitan cities have high value of deprivation index. So our analysis also show the deprivation index of each urban municipality of Nepal. So this analysis also show that the urban municipality with high deprivation index. So there should be urgent action or intervention in the urban municipality with high deprivation index. So the calculation of urban deprivation is also beyond the income. Like in the deprivation in case, we also account for the different indicators such as environment, housing, and governance to calculate the urban deprivation index. And this is the first attempt to calculate the deprivation index in Nepal. So using this deprivation index, we can also calculate the urban deprivation in the similar low income countries.